Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about and I'm going to be talking about what I would do if I was a new starter starting from the start. And I'm going to be showing you guys what I would do, and I would also going to be teaching you a very simple day trading strategy that you can use when you are trading. Now, the strategy that I'm going to be teaching you has a extremely high win rate. It has a 80+% win rate. It is the trading strategy that I trade live in my Discord every single day. So make sure you click the top link in the description. I live stream it every single day for free. So yeah, make sure you join that. And the trading strategy that I'm going to be showing you guys is called the inversion model trading strategy. And all the inversion model trading strategy is using a inversion fair value gap as an entry. Now, it is really important when trading this model that you practice with the model, because you will get lots of inversion fair value gaps in the market, but you do not take every inversion fair value gap that you get. And in today's price action, there was only two really clean setups today that I would have took myself. The first setup would be right here, this inversion fair value gap here. Let me just make that lighter for you. And the second inversion fair value, and yeah, the second inversion fair value gap strategy I would have taken would have been right here. Now, you might be wondering why. Why have I marked out these two specific zones that I would have traded today? And for me, the answer is very simple. But for you guys who don't trade this model every day, I'm sure it is going to be quite confusing for a lot of you. And first of all, I just want to say, if you are confused what the inversion fair value gap model actually is, all it is let's say you have a target of liquidity. So for example, right here, I know that price action is going up a lot. I wanted to see a bullish candle. So for example, here my bias is very bearish. So let's say I'm targeting this point right here. I am only looking for shorts. Let's say, so if we market replay right here, I'm only looking for shorts just because price is so high up. And I would wait for a bullish fair value gap to be created. So right here, as you can see, there is a bullish fair value gap, and I would wait for that fair value gap to be inversed. So right there it is inversed. So this would be my entry, and my stop loss would be if the candle closed back above this inversion fair value gap, and then obviously my take profit would be some sort of liquidity. So that is the trading model. But the problem with this trading model is you are probably going to be confused about which fair value gaps to take, which inversion models to take, and this is where I'm going to explain to you where I would start if I was a brand new trader. And the answer is, if I was you, I would get a rough understanding of a specific model. So I teach the inversion model that I trade live on my Discord every single day. So if I were you, I would just learn a model. So for example, I would obviously recommend the model that I teach, the inversion fair value gap model, just because the win rate is so high. I would just get the basics down. So just the basics of the strategy, which would obviously be inverse the fair value gap, target liquidity, stop loss below a certain stop loss below the close of the fair value gap. That is the model. I have multiple videos on it, or if you want to watch me trade live, just join the Discord. And then I would get the model. I would go to live price action. So I'd wait for some price action, and what would I do? I would mark out fair value gaps like this. I would mark if they're inversed, and then I would forward test. So I would see, oh, if I entered there, would it be a loss? Yes, this trade would have been a loss. Why would it be a loss? Oh, this trade was actually a loss because this fair value gap is in a 9:50 to 10 past 10 macro. Therefore, it is a high chance that we get a reversal here, either a large reversal or a small reversal that will target some sort of buy side liquidity, which is right here. Target price action target this buy side liquidity, and this is today's price action, and I explained that live in the Discord. I seen this inversion model happen. I explained, oh, I'm not taking this inversion model because of this liquidity up here. Obviously, if you're a new trader, you are not going to see that probably, and that is why it is extremely important to make sure that you are forward testing. So I'd see, oh, that trade didn't work. Okay, let's look for another trade. Right here, we have another bullish fair value gap. As you see here, another bullish fair value gap. Oh, here, this is my model again. We get an inversion. The entry would be the candle close below the inverse fair value gap. Stop loss would be a candle close above. Take profit would be sell side liquidity. But right here, I would have actually targeted. Oh, where's this price action gone? Right here, I would actually have targeted this sell side liquidity right here on the 4-hour time frame. If we go back to the 1 minute, so I would have targeted this line right here. I would have definitely took partials at this internal liquidity, and I'd have been, oh, this trade did work. Why did this trade work? Because it is going with our bias. It is we've took some buy side liquidity in the time frame macro that should take buy side liquidity in this instance. So yeah, this is what I would do if I was you and I was a new trader. I would, now this can be with any strategy. This could be with the silver bullet strategy. Don't expect to master this over a short amount of time, because it just doesn't work like that. You need to put in the time, but I promise you, if you do put in the time, you'll definitely see the results. And yeah, what it also does is builds lots of confidence. And when you're trading, if you have confidence and you trust your model, then you can make a lot of money in the markets. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Just learn a model, whether that be the inversion model, the ICT silver bullet model, and just forward test and forward test and forward test. Watch the price action live, so tomorrow at 9:30, watch price action, see if you see any inversion models, see if you would take it, and then say why you would take it or why you wouldn't take it, and then just see if the trade works, and just keep doing that, and eventually you'll start seeing patterns. You'll start realizing why certain trades do work, why certain trades don't work, and you'll also build lots of confidence. So yeah, I hope this video has helped. Make sure you join the Discord, the first link in the description. Yeah, thank you for watching.